Yup, I guess this is what happened. This is where the guy went that was running, that passed me when I was leaving Walmart, that's for sure. All the state police, everybody here. Is this the guy that was running?
We're conducting an investigation I wanted to make sure. Or he could bring me to a very
Yep, that's definitely the car that was running when it passed me in Walmart. Almost hit cars out there. Must have came through here and decided to try to make a left or something. I don't know. That's crazy. Right in front of the Burn Dairy here in Geneva, New York. There he is. I guess they're putting him in a different car. Interesting stuff. Because he is currently finding out. It's crazy to happen right there. Right here in city center, basically. Burn Dairy, right there, Geneva, New York. Now these guys came up and just started screaming at the cops or at the guy. I don't know, man. I don't know what the hell that was. Cool stuff. Cool stuff.